Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Edge 40 Neo and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So just tap the install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes agree, pick close and tap to OK in the left down corner. So now we could see information about my battery temperature, and in my case that's 29 degrees. And also I got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.